Good morning, students. Today we will start problem set number 15, question number 1. Okay, solve the following and write the question and reminder. It means we have to divide them and at the end we have to write the question and reminder. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Now question number 1 is 1284 divided by 32. Okay, first we will see first number, that is 1 is smaller than 32, right? We cannot divide 1 by 32, so we have to do first two number, that is 12. Again 12 is smaller than 32, so now we will take first three number, that is 128. Now search 128 from this table. So here it is 32 fours are, so this 4 will come as quotient and this 128 will come here. Now subtract them. So 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Got it? Now I will take this 4 down. Now 4 is smaller than 32, right? We cannot divide 4 by 32, so I will write 0 here as a quotient and also here. Okay, now subtract them. 4 minus 0 is 4. Done. So we get a remainder 4 and quotient 40. Understood? So we will write as quotient is equal to 40 and remainder is 4. Understood, everyone? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 5586 divided by 87. Okay, now again we don't know the table of 87, right? So first we will prepare the table of 87 like this. Now take first number, that is 5, but we cannot divide 5 by 87 because it is smaller than 87, right? So we will take first two number, that is 55. Again this is smaller than 87, so we will take first three number, that is 558. Okay, now search 558 in this table. Remember, we cannot take bigger than 558. We have to take the nearest number to 558 and smaller than 558, right? So here 609 is bigger than 558, right? So we have to take 522 because it is smaller than 558, right? So 87, 6 are 522, so we will write this 6 here as a quotient. Got it? Now this 522 will come here. Now subtract them. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. Done. Now I will take this 6 down. Now 366, we have to search this number in this table. 366. this 435 is bigger than this, so I will take 348 because it is smaller than 366, right? So 87 fours are is 348, so this 4 will come in a quotient and this 348 will come here. Now we will subtract them. 6 minus 8 is impossible, right? So we will borrow from this 6, so 6 will become 5 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 8 is 8 only. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Done. So we get remainder 18 and quotient 64. Now we will write as remainder. First we will write quotient, that is 64, and remainder is 18. Understood? Now question number 3. 1207 divided by 27, right? First we will prepare the table first. Now we cannot take 1 and 12 because this is smaller than 27, right? So we will directly take 120. Okay, now search 120 in this table. Now 135 is bigger than 120, right? So we cannot take 135, so we will take 108 because it is smaller than 120, right? So now 27 fours are 108, so this 4 will come in a quotient and 108 will come here. We will subtract them. Now 0 minus 8 is impossible, right? So we will borrow from this 2, so this 2 will become 1 and 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Now 1 minus 1 again 0, so we get 12. Now I will take this 7 down. Now it is 127. Okay, now search 127 in this table. Again 135 is bigger than 127, so we have to take this only, 108. So again this 4 will come in a quotient and 108 will come here. Got it? Now 7 minus 8 is impossible, so we will borrow from this 2, so this 2 will become 1 and 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 8 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so we get our quotient 44 and remainder 19. Got it? So we will write as quotient is 44 and remainder we get is 19. Got it? So we have done question number 1, 2 and 3. In next video we will see question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, thank you.